leg, so you have to do like this. The end, the point should be always on, facing the elbow. Okay? Support this one. Okay? Yeah, so this one is just the arm. Okay, now let go. Let go, let go. This is your this one is alright? So the sling should be your arm sling. Okay, this is arm sling. This is arm sling. And then your wrist knot supposed to be on this side. Okay, the wrist knot should be tied on this shoulder. Okay, not on this side. Okay, so this is arm sling. And then you have to untuck right here because malita natin wala tayong normal talaga. Okay? And then this one should be all the way to the last part of the end finger. Okay? And then you have to press this one. This is arm sling. Okay? For the elevation naman, elevation should be like this. Okay, like this. This one is this is the elevation, okay? And this one should be tied right here. We will do this one on the fourth side, just normal. And then the wrist knot should be on this side. This is the injured part right there, and the wrist knot should be on this side. Arm sling is, if this is the injured part, the elbow is right here. Okay, on the same, remember, on the same shoulder. Okay, so that's how you distinguish the two. Okay? This is elevation because it's on the shoulder. Okay, and then the wrist knot should be on the same side, right here. Alright? Like that? Okay? Alright. Okay, now let's go. Okay, for the